Well, guys, check this out right here. We're at Chase Street in Florence, South Carolina. And for the first time in about a month and a half, we're gonna catch South Carolina Central again. These are brand new gates here at this crossing. Brand new gates, both of them. You guys can see them. And I have the headphones on, so my ears won't get blown out. I know you guys are happy to see me get South Carolina Central again. I'm glad to get it back in the book too. Feels really good to get this train again. It's been a good while now. Giving you guys special videos, good treats. Most of this train is heading back toward Darlington and is loaded. I think these right here are loaded sugar cars, what they are. And I think after South Carolina Central, this is gonna be it for the night. I'm not sure. I think when I get ready to leave South Carolina Central here, I'm gonna run into Amtrak Auto 52, I believe. Those sugar cars. Oh no! We're gonna have this train stop again. We're gonna have to get ahead of it. Oh, this is gonna suck. Now I gotta go all the way around. Well, guys, I got ahead of the South Carolina Central local trash train. He's coming at high speed, I believe. He's coming faster than he would ever come. Yeah, much faster. That is rain blowing. That is mist. The trains normally go slower than this right here. He's going fast. Phone's getting all wet. He is booking. Going pretty fast here. this is the speed I'm talking about they normally used to go. All the other times I filmed that they were never going this fast. I think maybe once or twice. This train is booking. Either way, we got a booking South Carolina Central local trash train here. By the time we get back up there, Auto 52 should be at the station. This train took so long. It's got some awesome graffiti, some bad looking graffiti on this train. Awesome. I hope it isn't blurry. The front of the camera is. All the rain that's blowing on it. Man, these cars are wobbling. If I can show you guys a shot of this train down the line, you guys can see these cars weaving and wobbling. Unlevel ground surface of the tracks and stuff here. If I estimate his speed, I say he's going about at least 30 or better. At least maybe 40 miles per hour, I don't know. If I get in the car and were to chase him down, I can tell the speed he's going. I say he's going about 30, 35, 40 miles an hour. I'm going to show it to you guys. The train is about to end. I'm going to show you it weaving and wobbling down the line. Here's the end of your South Carolina Central local trash train. You guys see how it's weaving and wobbling there. There you go. Heading back to the Darlington. Heading back to Darlington, to the South Carolina Central Yard in Darlington. My camera won't shut off because it's wet. I'm trying to stop it.